click on any of them to give it a try. So as you can see here that after clicking on purchase, it has directly redirected us to Google Play for purchase. So I'm going to buy here this one. So as soon as I click on that, in place of Google Play, it has popped up Lucky Patcher's prompt for purchase, and as soon as I click on yes, it has shown me that I have successfully purchased this item.
Hello friends, so once again welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to tell you that how you can modify any applications or hack any app or game using your Android mobile. You does not need any PC or any external tool etc. for this. So we are going to use Lucky Patcher to modify our applications and games. So firstly you need to install Lucky Patcher installer. The link is given in description, so you have to download it from there and just install it. So this is the Lucky Patcher installer. It's not the application, so it will just install Lucky Patcher for you on your Android. So after installing this, you just need to open Lucky Patcher installer and allow all the permissions. So it will show you pop up that do you want to install Lucky Patcher. So you have to click on yes here. After clicking on yes, it will start downloading Lucky Patcher for your Android device. So using Lucky Patcher, we can modify app in different ways, like removing Google ads or purchasing in-app items for free. Also you can try custom patches which allow you different features in different applications. So after the download is completed, we are going to install Lucky Patcher. So firstly you need to set up your Lucky Patcher. So you have to click on open here. After opening Lucky Patcher, it will show you different prompts and ask you some permissions. You have to allow them all. Also grant root access your Lucky Patcher. You need a rooted device to use Lucky Patcher in efficient way. If you does not have rooted mobile, then also you can use Lucky Patcher, but it will limit some features of it. So after giving all the permissions, it will start setting up its all the files and softwares on your device. So you have to wait till it set it up. After this you will get some prompts. So if you are using MIUI, you have to enable this function which it's showing. So I does not use MIUI, so I am clicking on no, and here also you have to disable your play protect. So it has shown update for me, so I'm going to update it. So during setup you have to update all its settings so that it may not fail while we are modifying any applications. So do care that you are updating all the packages which it's showing. So as you can see here that our custom patches has been successfully updated, so you have to click on OK. Now as you can see here that a new version of Lucky Patcher is available, so you have to also update this, and here you can see the updated translations and different bugs has been fixed. So you also need to update this one. So click on update and it will start updating its application. So now you have to wait for a few minutes till it's downloading and setting its update. Also you have to take care that you doesn't skip a single step, because if you skip any setting or any of the process while setting your Lucky Patcher, then it may cause failure in modifying any application. As you can see here that the latest lucky patcher has been downloaded. Now you have to install it. So I'm going to install it. So as you can see here that our latest lucky patcher has been successfully installed. Now you need to open this and provide some of the permissions to it. So as you can see here that we have opened or set up our lucky patcher successfully, and here you can see different tools. So what this lucky patcher can do is it can mod any app or game for you, so that you can try different patches, like you can remove Google ads from any application, you can bypass any in-app purchase and buy any items for free. Like let me show you. So here you can see different apps and games. So firstly I'm going to show you that it's not pre-modded. So I'm going to firstly open an application for you and show you that it's a genuine application from Play Store. So here you can see Snakelet. I have downloaded it now only, so that we can test lucky patcher here. So I'm going to test it here. Firstly I'm going to show you that it's not modified for now, and how is it working for now. So you can see here it's showing different options. So we are going to try to buy any of the items here. So as you can see here, ad is displaying in the bottom, and also as we click on any of the snake to buy here are the different packages. So we are going to click on any of them to give it a try. So as you can see here that after clicking on purchase, it has directly redirected us to Google Play for purchase, but we are not going to purchase this. So now I'm going to modify this application. So we are going to close all the recent applications, and we are going to open lucky patcher. So as I previously shown you that as soon as I click on purchase, it has directly redirected me to Google Play. But now I'm going to hack this application or modify this application so that we can buy items for free. So you have to just click on the application you want to modify, and after that you will see here different options, but you have to click here on menu of patches to modify any of the application. So we will be trying it on other applications also, but firstly let us try on this game. So here you have to click on multi patch, so that we can apply multiple patches to in a single time. So click on all three of them here and click on apply. So here you can customize different things for your modded application, but for this you can keep it on auto mode and click on next step. For this also you have to click on next step directly. Here you have to keep in mind one thing, that you have to turn on this first option, support patch for LVL and in-app emulation, so that you can buy items for free. And after that you have to click on next step. Now it will start modifying or hacking your application and cracking its files so that you can use it freely. So it has started. Now it will take 2 to 3 minutes to modify the app, so you have to wait until it's modified. So as you can see here, it has successfully modified our application, and you can see here the luck percentage for different patches. So now we are going to click on OK, and now we are going to test our modded application. So we have to just open the game or the application we have modified. So we are just going to click on play here and open the game. Now we have opened the cracked or modified version of game, and now we are trying we will be trying different things, or the patches we have applied, we are going to test them. So as you can see here, we are going to try to purchase some of the items here. So as I click on purchase, it has shown some of the packages here, so I'm going to buy here this one. So as soon as I click on that, in place of Google Play, it has popped up Lucky Patchers prompt for purchase, and as soon as I click on yes, it has shown me that I have successfully purchased this item. And here you can see that I have got 50,000 coins here for free, and we are also going to try other things to buy, and you have to just click on yes here, and you can see here we have removed ad also. So as you can see here, we have got 50,000 points for free, and there are also no ads in this. So this is how you can modify any app or game for yourself using Lucky Patcher. Also you can try to modify other applications also, but here is a shortage of time, so I cannot test other applications here. I have tested tons of application in last few weeks to modify using Lucky Patcher, and got successful result for 90% of them. And you can also try to modify different applications using Lucky Patcher. Here you can see like YouTube Music and other applications also can be modified using Lucky Patcher. If you open YouTube Music here, and here you will see an additional option, that is custom patch. The custom patch is provided by developer so that you can use premium and additional features of the applications for free. So you can also try these patches. By the way, I have already applied these patches to my YouTube Music, and it's working 100% fine. By this patch you can listen music in background, and you can also remove ads and also play videos in music format, so that it uses less mobile data of yours. There are also many of the additional features of Lucky Patcher, so I will be explaining them in some other videos, because this will be going this video is going so lengthy. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. Like the video if you liked it, and subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries regarding any of the procedure, you can contact me using my Facebook group. The link is given in description. There we discuss about various tech, so you can also join me there. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.